Alright guys, today I'm doing a review of these FruBites. They were on sale for Black Friday, so I picked them up. If you look here, freeze-dried pineapple, superfood. I've never tried freeze-dried pineapple. I've tried like strawberries, raspberries, things like that. I've never tried pineapple, so I wanted to give this a shot. And if you look here, yeah, they were on sale on Amazon, so there's a nutrient panel. Alright, let's open this up. Okay, it smells really good. It smells like pineapple. And let's see how they taste. Wow. They're really sweet. It's actually really good, guys. It's nice and crunchy, but that sweet flavor of pineapple really comes through. It's not even sour at all. You know, I'm thinking like the canned pineapple that you get, those are like really sour, but these are really sweet. Yeah, definitely check it out, guys. This is probably this is like eating candy. It's actually that good. Alright, definitely check it out, guys. Give me a question, comments, post below, subscribe to the channel.